Papa of PaPa's page. Today is Cast Iron Wednesday, and we're going to be making pork hominy soup. I'll introduce you to the ingredients and then I'll measure them out. To make pork and hominy soup, we have pork, hominy, chicken broth, olive oil, salt, corn chips, cilantro, oregano, poblano peppers, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. I have everything cut up and measured out, so I'm going to start off by browning the pork with the onions and seasoning. So in goes a little olive oil. In goes the pork. In goes the onions. Oregano and salt. In the book I got this from, it says that in Mexico this is a staple, that they eat hominy and pork soup as a staple. The onions are cooked and the pork is browned. I'm going to pour the water in. Couple cans of chicken broth. The hominy. And the peppers. Gonna stir it up, and then we're gonna bring it up to a simmer and let it simmer for a couple hours so that the pork will be good and soft. So we'll be back with you in a little while. It's cooked a couple hours now. I'm gonna boil some up, garnish it with cilantro and cheese with chips on the side, and we'll take it over to the table and see what it tastes like. I'm the test taster today, so let's see what we got. It's pretty good. This is the first time I've made it. Probably the first time I've ever ate it. So I'm not sure what it's supposed to taste like. According to what I've read about it, the toppings they put on it, they put a lot of toppings on it. From radishes and avocados and cabbage, and that's how they get their taste for it. Everyone does something different. So thank you for watching, and leave me a big thumbs up.